What's up, subscribers? It's PowerShot1007 and today I'm going to be starting a series about making a truck. Here, see, as you can see, we have the truck on there, and now we're going to add it with stuff. We have to add stuff. So here, there's the wheels. We're going to go to the next page. Look at that, boy. Look at that. Look at that. So cool. You can see my wobbly hat on. That covers up the camera. So, I'll be getting this route right here. I'll try. Okay. I'll try to get it if I can. Whatever goes well. We need to give it. It already has tires, so we are going to give this truck. We're gonna give this truck rims. New time, baby. Ooh, this right here look cool. You think I should add that? Leave the comments below. I'll do it in case. If you want me to do this one or this one right here. So I'm gonna do. So that's on you guys to know. That's on you guys. I'm not the one going to do that. But let's turn to the next page. You can see these are some cool trucks. You can make these trucks. So here's something that I've been wanting. It shows if I can get it here. And I'll put it on the truck. So you can see that there's a truck. And I'm going to put this. I'll put this flying right on it. So right here goes. And look at this truck now. That's the flame I just got. Yeah, so let's see anything. Let's turn to the next page. There's some cool fancy trucks. We don't really need some trucks. We don't really need these either. Oh no, there's here. We're gonna go back to a page that looks cool. Like this one. Hold on. are some cool stuff that is locked. There's I try to get this lamp if I can. I don't. Wait, maybe. Whatever it is on the so you got here, and there we go. Here it is, and I'm gonna set this to this right here. Look at this. So it's like a bullet trying to come down at it. It's like a bullet coming down, and yeah. So now we're gonna put some of these there. If I can get it, that'd be awesome. But these might go away. It's ripped. It's ripped. It's ripped. It ripped. Sorry guys, can't put that on here. We could try the fire. Could try. Don't mean to do that. Should try this. Let's see if it'll work. Let's see if I can get it. Let's see. I'm trying to get this on there. Try. Here. I'm gonna move to this. Let's see. And I did it. Center stroke. Nope. Let's see what else here. I'm gonna turn the page. And here are some wheels. Not cool though. This is cool. I'm gonna put this crash one. If I could get it. These should be easier to get. Okay. I got this ash one. I'll add it to the truck. Look at this. Look at that. So, normally that's all I'll be doing today. Make sure to subscribe and like a video. If you hate this, dislike it. But make sure, and if you want in the comments, if you want in the comments, you could choose this one right here and vote. You can vote for this one, or you could vote for this one right here. So, guys, that must be it for the episode, and we'll see you.